This video explains how to load new testing locations with addresses from an Excel spreadsheet. To load new testing locations, hover over the e-testing center in the main menu and select Testing Location. Click on the Load Location button. From a pop-up window, you can access detailed instructions for filling the template and an Excel template as well. In the Excel template, there are two obligatory fields to fill in: location name and time zone. Other fields, such as additional description, seat capacity, building number, unit, city, postal code, state, country, and phone number are optional. Once you fill in the Excel template, save the file. Then click on the Select File button, choose the file, and click Upload. As you can see, all defined locations are now inserted and created in YouTestMe GetCertified, visible in the list of all locations.